Good morning students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is solution of the system of linear equations. In this video, I will tell you about what are the conditions for the solution of non-homogeneous system of equations and what are the conditions for the solution of the system of homogeneous linear equations. Now I have the system of three equations in three unknowns that was discussed, and in the matrix form it may be written like Ax is equal to b. Now what do you mean by homogeneous system of equations? What do you mean by non-homogeneous system of linear equations? Now we have Ax is equal to b, which is said to be non-homogeneous system of equations. Now if the value of all constants is 0, say if m1, m2, m3, these all are 0, then the matrix equation Ax is equal to b, it reduces to Ax is equal to 0. Then it becomes the homogeneous system of equation. Now if at least m1, m2, m3, one is non-zero, then our b is non-zero. This b is non-zero and the matrix equation is Ax is equal to b. Now, what do you mean by consistent and inconsistent system of equations? If a system of equations it has no solution, then it is said to be inconsistent system of equation. But if a system of equations it has one or more solutions, then it is said to be consistent system of equations. For a non-homogeneous system of linear equations, Ax is equal to b. Now, if rank of augmented matrix which is equal to rank of A which is equal to number of unknowns, then this is the condition for the unique solution. Condition for having infinite number of solution is if rank of augmented matrix which is equal to rank of A which is less than number of unknowns. And what is the condition for inconsistent system? When you can say that system has no solution, in that case rank of augmented matrix it should not be equal to rank of A. Now one remark is there, when the non-homogeneous system of equations has a unique solution. The non-homogeneous system has a unique solution if determinant of A this is not equal to 0. Now conditions for the solution of homogeneous system of linear equations. Now in this homogeneous system of linear equations, Ax is equal to 0, x is always a solution and it is said to be null solution or trivial solution. Now condition for the trivial solution is rank of A it should be equal to number of unknowns. Now, what is the condition for infinite number of solutions? That is rank of A, this should be less than number of unknowns. Now, in solution of the homogeneous as well as non-homogeneous system of linear equations, only elementary row operations are allowed. What are elementary row operations? These are Rij, K into Ri plus Krj. Only three row operations are allowed for the solution of the system of homogeneous as well as non-homogeneous system. Now, when the system of homogeneous equation has a non-trivial solution, condition for this is determinant of A it should be equal to 0. Thanks to all. If you are new to my channel, just like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks again.